because now the president is blaming the oil and gas companies. He's blaming Exxon, Chevron for the expense of gasoline, the fact that we are looking at a huge spike in inflation and oil prices are up 50% year over year. He is now directing the FTC to investigate whether or not there's illegal conduct from these companies, and that's leading to the cost of oil rising. Jim, instead of blaming his bad policy, I mean, come on, day one he walked in there and he killed the XL pipeline. He wants to blame energy companies. Your thoughts? Do you want to stay away from oil companies as a result? What are your thoughts from the investment play?
I'm very bullish on the energy companies, the fossil fuel companies, and even the uranium companies. But in terms of what the administration's doing, so look, you can't shut down these federal permits and shut down pipelines and expect that prices are going to be the same. What's really happened here, Maria, is that we don't have a supply response. It used to be, there's an old adage here in Texas, the cure for high oil prices is high oil prices, because the oil companies go in and produce more oil, they bring in more supply, and prices start coming down. It's very simple, supply and demand. Supply and demand still works, believe it or not. So when you curtail supply by shutting down pipelines, by killing off federal permits, and by trying to get companies and pension funds to reduce CapEx in the space, you're going to not have that supply response that you need. And at the same time, demand is rising. We've seen, as COVID has gradually come off the boil and the economies around the world have gradually reopened, you've seen demand go up. So you've got demand going up. You don't have supply meeting the higher prices. And so it's a lot of it is policy. And look, when you shut down a pipeline, what happens? They still produce, but now they just have to ship it in trucks and trains, which doesn't really help anything. It doesn't change anything environmentally either. So I don't know why they're blaming OPEC. I don't know why they're begging China to produce more oil. Yeah. And at the same time curtailing U.S. oil companies. And there's some real problems in the oil patch, Maria. Right now, they're having a hard time getting pipe. They're having a hard time getting pipe casings. So even those companies that want to increase production are having a hard time doing it. So I'm still very bullish on the space for not only oil and gas, but we are seeing countries around the world reopen their eyes to nuclear power, too. So I like uranium as well.
Yeah, I love all of those comments that you made, Jim, and I agree with you. I feel like, it's more dangerous to be transporting oil on a train where anything can happen on that train as opposed to in a pipeline below the water level. I mean, it's pretty obvious to me, but okay, interesting to see you're still bullish on these stocks, even though so many of them are changing their structure and changing what they do, right? Exxon, they're canceling production.